Dear student, how are you? Okay, I am also fine. You know, for coronavirus, our regular class, our regular classes are suspended. We cannot continue. We cannot attend our regular classes. We cannot continue our studies at our institution. So our studies have been greatly hampered. For this reason, our school has already announced online classes for you. I am Mr. Kamal Chandra Sen, a senior teacher of Balad Adarsh School and College. I am going to offer you a classes of English second paper on the topics of article. You know, I have already taken 2 classes on the topics of article. We learned what is article, how many kinds of article, different uses of indefinite article. We also learned it in our previous classes. Today we will learn different uses of definite article the. Different uses of definite article the. Dear student, look at the board. Here I write down 3 sentences. Camel is a useful animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Dog is a faithful animal. All the sentences begins with consonant, though all the sentences begin with consonant. Here camel, here cow, here dog. It is a singular common noun. Camel, dog, cow, dog, all are singular common noun. If you find this kind of word and if it indicates, if it represents the whole classes, in this situation you have to use article the. Article the. The camel is a useful animal. Here the camel. The camel means the whole classes of camel. The cow is a domestic animal. Here the cow. The cow means all the cows, and the dog also. Dear student, look at the board again. Dash Bengalis are a great nation. Dash English are industrious, and dash Chinese are a hard working nation. Here I write down 3 sentences. Look at the sentence very carefully. Bengalis, English and Chinese. All the 3 words means the nation. Before nation, we have to use article the. Article the. Before the nation, we have to use article the. বন্ধু, dear student, again look at the board. I also write down two sentences. Dash these are not always happy. Dash verses are always peace loving. Always peace loving. These and verses, both the word are adjective, but it indicates the particular classes. If you find any gap before any adjective and if it indicate the particular classes, in this case you have to use definite article the. Definite article the. Dear student, their earth is round, their sun rises in the east, their moon looks very beautiful at moonlit night. Here three words: the earth, sun and moon. All the three words are singular existing noun. All are singular existing noun. If you find this kind of word, if the noun is singular existing, in this case we have to use definite article the. Definite article the. Okay? Dear student, look at the board. He is their best boy in the class. Bangladesh is their most beautiful country. And Korean is their tallest of all boys in the class. Look at the sentence very carefully. Here, best, most beautiful and tallest. All the words are adjective of superlative form. Before superlative form, we have to use definite article the. Before superlative degree, we have to use article the. Dear student, look at the board again. Here I have the four sentences. Their Himalayas is the highest mountain. We read their Holy Quran. We always read their Daily Star. And their Atlantic is a deep ocean. It is the name of a mountain. And Holy Quran, it is the name of a holy book. We always read their Daily Star. Daily Star, it is the name of a newspaper. And Atlantic, it is also a name of ocean. Before any mountain, we have to use definite article the. And before any holy book, we have to use definite article also the. Daily Star, it is also a name of newspaper. Before any name of newspaper, we have to use definite article the. And Atlantic, it is also a name of ocean. Before any ocean, we have to use definite article the. Clear? My dear student, today we will learn different uses of definite article the. I hope if you follow the class continuously, you will learn where we use article definite or indefinite. We will learn definite or indefinite article in the passage in our next class. Tomorrow I will take a class for you on the topic of article also. On this class we will learn where we use definite or indefinite article in passage. How to use it we will learn more about in this class. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. I wish you a sound health. Okay.